Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you don't mind real quick, smash that like button below for me. It's going to help this hard body here get a lot of attention. But anyways, with that said, I've been watching a few TikTok detailers in action to get a good idea of what the professionals are using to detail vehicles. One suggested Meguiars Glass Cleaner Concentrate, which I've been on the lookout for. I'd like to get it locally so I don't have to pay the extra for shipping. $23 on Amazon is a bit much. I think I can get it for around $16 at a local store if I can find it. But with that said, I stopped by Advanced Auto. They didn't have the concentrates, but they did have on sale for $3.49 Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner. I'm not sure how this differs from the concentrate, but at that price I figured it's worth a try. Timestamps are below in case you want to jump around and quickly judge for yourself. I realized fairly quickly that the trick was to apply it with one microfiber towel and then come back later with a dry microfiber towel and then buff it out. The first application kind of left a haze on it, and then you come back through with the dry microfiber and yeah, come out looking like this. So clear, in fact, that you can now see all the imperfections in the glass, the tiny scratches and stuff like that. But as far as cleaning, so far I'm impressed. So it wasn't too exciting of a video, but just in case you were looking to buy this product, I think it may help out. I know I was looking at a few videos myself just to make sure that this stuff was worth it, but again, for $3.49, just go ahead and try it out. Still going to get the concentrate whenever I find it, and then I can do a good comparison between the two. But for right now, stuff works. If you run by it or are looking for a new cleaner, I usually use the spray away. I'd ran out, so wanted to try something new, and this is not a bad product.